but they're gone. Now I can tell you about some cool plants. They walked right by them. So I'm with a bunch of friends in Italy, in Tuscany, and I want to show you a little bit about this ecotype here. It's really interesting. You've got what looks to be like a road in Mendocino County or something. And I say Mendocino because it's September. Right now you've got all these beautiful oaks and a very similar plant component to what you'd find in Mendocino and probably lots of other places that are mid-coastal range in California. Now it's late September, but you can see the grasses are still green. We're getting a little bit of rainfall, and that's why it's not so much like interior California where it would be bone dry with no rain at all, but you still have a lot of moisture, you know, a little closer to the coast, but yet on the ridge tops above the redwood zone is kind of what this feels like. You've got several different types of oaks here. I don't know the names of these oaks, but it basically tells a story of parallel evolution. And what that means is like you have two completely similar ecotypes, but absolutely separated. Italy, California, very separated. Yet they ultimately end up looking very similar to each other because they have the same ecotype. And this would be something that might be expected if we ever do find another planet that is the same size as ours, same oxygen component, same age, same distance from their star being the same size. Temperatures are similar, and you would very likely find things that look extremely similar, but a little different. It's kind of what we have here. But one of the things that made me want to stop and make a little video here is this little pocket right over here that everyone walked by that I noticed. Check this out. This is so cool. Look at that. I gotta really get in here. This is an old stump. And look what happens to be in the old stump right there. A bunch of beautiful cyclamen. This is a lot like the cyclamen that you will find at home and for sale. I don't know if we can really see the foliage of the cyclamen. It's really buried under all of the oak leaves. But I guess this tells a story, since this plant is nowhere else, that it really enjoys. I don't see any. They're really coming out deep. I don't want to disturb it very much. But anyway, those are your beautiful cyclamens. Now at home, you're going to basically buy these things around Christmas time. It's obviously fall, so they bloom in fall. These are the wild cyclamens that are native and natural. The ones you see at home are, they're all hybridized, bigger flowers. I'll show you how big this flower is by putting my finger. It's pretty small, but very beautiful. And the ones we have at home, it's really hard to get these, are bigger, different colors, that kind of thing. But now you know where cyclamens come from. I'm looking around like there's no cyclamens anywhere, except I do see a little patch right over here. Might tell the story more of what they like. It's like a lot of leaf material or something down in there. See that? They're sprinkled around down in the shade, but where the area is open, they seem to not like it. But anyway, now you know where. Oh, here's more. Here's more. Cyclamens, native Italian cyclamen, right there. And that's all I know. Now I have to run.